wish it could look moisturized and healthy.
Well, hello there, Angie.
Who are you?
Well, I'm your Mielle maven sent from Haven.
What are you doing here?
Well, I'm here to change your life. Go wash your hair and come on right back here and I'll show you what to do.
Okay. So I listened to my Mielle maven. The products that I have are the Mielle Organics pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner, the Mielle Organics pomegranate honey coil sculpting custard, and the Mielle Organics rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. Okay, so I will be doing a wash and go to see if I can bring some moisture back into these.
Hey Angie, did you get those products?
Yes, I got the products. I got them. You want to see my receipts? She is really serious about her products. So let me take this section. I have this because my hair has to be really saturated for products to really work for me. So you know I gotta smell it, right? Kind of smells like candy a little. I'm gonna use my Tangle Teaser. Okay, so the leave-in has been applied.
What Angie didn't tell you is the pomegranate and honey leave-in condition is used as a primer before you apply your styling products.
So now I'm going to add the styler. And for applying the styler, I'm going to bring out my Denman brush to really help me define my curls. It does have that gel texture. A little bit first. Feel it and see if I want to add more. So after I coat it, I'm taking my Denman brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the next section.
Use a Denman brush for definition.
Yes, I'm using my brush. So I finished applying the custard everywhere. So I think I'm gonna actually let my hair air dry. I'm gonna go and look decent, look like a Mielle maven. And then I'll be back and I'll show you guys how it looks when it dries. Okay guys, so she cleans up nice. I got, you know, together. I actually put these clips in my hair to help when they dry. It's supposed to help with volume. I did let it air dry for a few hours, and now I'm going to add the rosemary mint strengthening oil, and I'm going to diffuse it a little bit. And now with my blow dryer and my diffuser. So I like my hair with a lot of volume. I like big hair, so I'm gonna take my little baby clip here and just kind of lift the roots. I am loving it. These results speak for themselves, honestly.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching my video.
Hey, what are you doing?